Sofia Vergara looked absolutely incredible in a plunging black one-piece swimsuit while on vacation with Joe Manganiello. When it comes to Sofia Vergara, 48, she always knows how to make a statement, and that's exactly what she did while on vacation with Joe Manganiello, 44, and friends. The Modern Family actress looked stunning in a low-cut V-neck black swimsuit that had a sweetheart neckline and thick straps. Her toned legs were on full display in the one-piece bathing suit as she accessorized with a pair of black rectangle sunglasses. Sofia posted a slideshow of her vacation featuring 3 photos, one of her cuddled up with Joe and their dog, another of her in her swimsuit, and the last one a hilarious photo of her puppy wrapped up in Joe's arm. Meanwhile, just a day before, she posted another photo of her on vacation with 2 other ladies. For the outing, Sofia rocked a strapless ruffled white crop top with high-waisted, wide-leg pineapple print trousers. It seems as though Sofia had a fabulous time while on vacation, considering she posted a ton of photos to Instagram. Another shot pictured her rocking a long colorfully patterned sheer maxi dress cover-up which she styled with simple white sandals. Perhaps our favorite look from her though was the sleeveless spaghetti strap midi dress she wore. The dress featured a V-neckline trimmed with lace with a fitted bodice while the entire frock was covered in a gorgeous blue and white floral pattern. From her red flowy maxi dress to her floral maxi to her long flowy seashell gown, Sofia looked absolutely gorgeous on her vacation, and we loved all of her outfits.